Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how grapes are turned into wine, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Every great bottle of wine begins its journey with carefully harvested grapes.
Once delivered, the grapes are immediately moved into controlled environments to preserve freshness.
Only the highest quality grapes are selected, ensuring consistency and flavor in every batch.
Advanced sorting systems help separate the best grapes from stems and debris.
These natural elements play a crucial role in fermentation and flavor development.
Before processing, the grapes are thoroughly cleaned to remove any remaining impurities. The preparation phase sets the foundation for everything that follows. Every parameter is monitored digitally to maintain strict production standards.
Human expertise works hand in hand with automation to ensure precision.
With preparation complete, the grapes are now ready for transformation.
After preparation, the grapes move into the processing stage, where wine truly begins to take form.
This process releases the juice while carefully controlling how much skin contact is preserved. The extracted juice is immediately transferred to prevent oxidation and flavor loss.
Each tank is filled with precision, ensuring consistency from batch to batch.
Specially selected yeast is introduced to guide fermentation and develop unique flavors.
Throughout processing, every variable is continuously monitored in real time.
Temperature control is critical, as even small changes can affect the final taste. This stage can take days or weeks, allowing flavors to develop naturally. Gentle circulation ensures even fermentation throughout the mixture.
Once fermentation reaches its peak, the wine is ready for transformation. This is where grape juice transforms into wine through the natural process of fermentation. Over time, yeast slowly reshapes the wine's character and strength. For red wine, extended skin contact creates depth, color, and structure.
Careful circulation ensures balanced extraction and even fermentation. Temperature control protects delicate aromas and flavors in the wine.
As sugars are consumed, alcohol levels in the wine naturally rise.
Each wine batch is regularly sampled to track its progress. Scientific testing ensures the wine meets precise quality standards.
At the right moment, fermentation is stopped to preserve balance. Now transformed, the wine moves forward for refinement and finishing. After refinement, the wine is prepared for bottling in a carefully controlled environment.
Precision filling ensures every bottle of wine is perfectly measured. Each wine bottle is sealed to preserve freshness and aroma. These protective layers help safeguard the wine during storage and transport. branding and information are applied with absolute precision.
Each wine bottle is traceable from vineyards to consumer.
Automated systems verify that every wine bottle meets strict standards. Robotics ensure efficient and damage-free packaging of wine. Prepared for transport, the wine is now ready to travel worldwide. With packaging complete, the wine enters its final quality and distribution stage.
Before leaving the facility, every bottle of wine undergoes a final quality inspection.
Precision sensors confirm that each wine bottle meets exact specifications.
A secure seal protects the wine from contamination and oxidation.
Labels are checked to ensure clarity, alignment, and compliance.
Expert tasters evaluate the wine to confirm aroma, balance, and character.
Scientific analysis verifies that the wine meets safety and quality standards. Once approved, the wine is securely packaged for shipment. Careful handling ensures the wine arrives safely at its destination. From vineyard to bottle, the wine's journey continues around the world.
And that is how wine is crafted, perfected, and delivered and plumed from start to finish.
And that's how grapes are turned into wine. Tuftius Rosé, from start to finish.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.